Lil Baby and Lil Durk. Everybody knows and respects them and their music. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a Lil Baby and Lil Durk beat from scratch, the 4PF OTF style. Now let's not waste any more time and get cooking. Like almost every 4PF OTF beat, you want to start with the piano. I chose the acoustic piano from Expand named Warm Natural Piano and laid down this chord progression in the scale of C minor. The way to do this progression is pretty straightforward. Lay down your root note. Let's take mine for example, C. Go up 3 semitones and then 7. That's your C minor scale. Ctrl plus B, paste the whole thing again, but lower the D sharp to a D for a bit of tension. Now, let's play with the root note for more color in the melody. Bring the root note down 4 semitones for the 5th and the 6th bar, and 5 semitones for the 7th and 8th bar. This trick works every freaking time. For effects, we have an EQ cut in the low end, Valhalla Vintage at 20% and an Echo Boy for a short delay. Like I showed you in my previous video, we routed the main melody through a mixer bus with halftime on it and another one with Portal on it. This is how the main melody sounds after effects. For the second melody, we have the same piano, with the same effects like the first one, only playing higher an octave, following the same C minor scale. This is how it sounds before the effects. This is how it sounds after applying the effects. Third sound is a pad from Electra X from this pack. The pad progression is the same as the first melody. And for effects, we have an EQ cut in the lows and Panman. Fourth sound is a string from Expand called Spiccato Up. The strings follow the same progression as the top layer of the melody. For effects, we have again an EQ, Valhalla Vintage again, and an RC20 for more vintage vibe. This is how it sounds after effects. The next sound is coming from Keyscape. It's the key zone piano playing the root notes. For effects again, EQ cutting lows, Valhalla Vintage. We added an extra shaper box with this preset for a bit of sidechaining on the attack. I wanted to preserve the dark sound of the piano, but the attack was too harsh on this melody. This is how it sounds after effects. Then I added these vocals from Nexus. This is the preset I used. I EQ'd it, applied a lot of reverb, and then used S1 Imager for a wider sound. This is how it sounds after effects. I added this texture and this bassline following the root notes. These are the effects on it, and this is how it sounds after effects. I exported the loop and imported it back again. This is the thing I do with my loops. I export them so I can have them separately from the beat, and then I import them back. Now let's do the drums real fast. This is how all the drums sound together. And this is the final beat. Thank you once again for watching and supporting me. I'm Andrew. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Andrew, please shut the fuck up.